Hello, we're here today with Dr. Cory Torgerson, who is a Toronto facial cosmetic surgeon and expert in all things innovative and aesthetic.
And today we're here to talk about a problem that is totally the pits, hyperhidrosis.
Well, do you know that the Hyperhidrosis Society and sweathelp.org estimate that nearly 5% of the world's population suffers from excess sweating, and that's known as hyperhidrosis?
5%, that's 365 million.
Pretty good.
I didn't just do the math, I read the research.
Yep, that's a lot of people from all different backgrounds suffering from extreme sweating. And you know, it can really negatively affect people's lives, their careers, their personal, their social lives.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. I think we all can think of somebody who is an excessive sweater or where it's affected their self-esteem level. You know, those things can really take a toll on people.
It's true, and sweating can ruin your clothes. A lot of people end up wearing black all the time just because they're worried about ruining their clothing. Are you going to tell us about a solution?
Yes, you know, people have been treating it various ways for a number of years, but there's always been some drawbacks to each of those options. But now we have something that is way more effective and has much fewer drawbacks.
Excellent. Our viewers are perspiring with anticipation.
You know what? It's called MiraDry, and it's a non-invasive laser technology. It means no incisions, it means no stitches, and it doesn't damage your skin either. It targets the sweat glands and the glands that cause underarm odor. It destroys both of them.
Wow, odor too, that sounds like a bonus and a miracle.
Well, there's a handheld device that's connected to the MiraDry machine, and it's applied to clean armpits. It quickly sends energy approximately 2 to 5 millimeters below the surface directly into the eccrine and apocrine glands. And so they're destroyed because of the heat, and it's called localized thermolysis. And then the body gradually clears away those cells. You know that people report that sweating stops almost instantly, and usually only one treatment is required for a permanent reduction of sweating. There's usually about an 82% improvement according to the statistics.
Wow, so it targets just the right glands. Does it cause any redness? Does it cause any pain?
Well, actually, one of the best things about this treatment is that any pain can be effectively managed with injectable freezing, so that when those injections are done properly, the patients feel little to no pain, and it's relatively quick. Patients can leave the office and return to their day. You know, there is a little bit of tenderness and swelling that can remain on average about a week or two afterwards, but it doesn't affect or impact most people's normal routine.
But how does it contrast to other methods of fighting sweat that we have available?
Well, do you know what? Patients who suffer from excessive sweating have typically had limited choices. Prescription antiperspirant medications, oral medications called anticholinergics, temporary Botox injections, or even sometimes risky surgery.
So what makes MiraDry better than all the other options?
Well, MiraDry is achieving incredible permanent results, drastically reducing sweat and body odor in over 90% of patients. You know, the average reduction those people report was 82%, and the patient satisfaction was 90% for just one treatment.
That's incredible. So that sounds like a lifesaver for a lot of people. People who wear protective pads in their clothing don't have to do so anymore. The question is it FDA approved? Is it Health Canada approved? Is it safe?
Yeah, absolutely. It's both FDA and Health Canada approved for underarms, and studies are actually ongoing to clear it for other body areas like the stomach, the hands, the feet, the back.
I think one question that our viewers probably would have is about sweating overcompensation. I mean, once you permanently destroy the underarm sweat glands, are you going to find that you start sweating in other areas of your body more?
Well, no, they don't. Amazingly, the underarms only represent about 2% of the body's sweat glands, and so no oversweating in other areas of the body to compensate once the MiraDry treatment takes place. And get this, MiraDry is even shown to permanently eliminate underarm hair by up to 62%.
Wow, get out. Okay, that is a sweet side effect. So you're telling us that we get to be sweat-free, odor-free, hair-free, have nice smooth armpits and live life with confidence.
Yep.
Well, I am going to tell all of my sweaty friends.
Yeah, we'll tell them to contact our office and schedule a free consultation, and we're happy to help.
Thank you, Dr. Torgerson. And thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe for more innovative videos and cosmetic tips.
We will see you next time. Take care.